How to crop a video on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to crop a video on TikTok. But since TikTok doesn't have a crop option, I will show you a thing you can do for a post crop video. So all you need to do is download an application called CapCut. Now tap on CapCut. And click on New Project. Choose a video and now all you need to do is click on the video and search until you find Edit. Now click on Crop and now you can crop the video. I will choose this one. Now click on the check icon and this is it. Now click on that download icon up there and the video will be exporting. And next all you need to do is go to TikTok and click on the post icon and click on upload. Choose the video that's exploding from CapCut and post it on TikTok. So this is it guys, hope this video helped you and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.